Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room. Today's video, some F2 results are in. This cross was brought to you by crossing a male Ginga Rubra Guppy with a female Blue Star Endler. Just a quick reminder before we get on to the F2 generation. You are currently looking at the F1s, which we have shown you before, but we were just showing them again for the purpose of a recap, so you remember how the F1s turned out. Let's now move on to the F2 generation in 4, 3, 2, 1. And here are the F2 results. Currently we only have 3 males to show. We do have another 2 males, but they have yet to colour up entirely, so we haven't included them in this video. As you can see, the F2s look very similar to the F1s, so I guess you could say they're breeding true, so far at least. We do have F3 fry, a couple of which I've included in this video because if you notice, one of the fry is blonde, like the original Ginga Rubra Guppy male. So although the F1s and F2 generations threw 0 blondes, they are now starting to show up in the F3s. Hopefully it's a male, so when we come to show you the F3s, it will be more interesting than if it was a female, because the females literally have 0 colour or pattern. And who knows, maybe the blonde will turn out nicer and we could split off the blondes into a separate line to develop. My thoughts on this guppy cross are still the same as what I previously thought of the F1s and what some of you suggested in previous comments. They do look like a very nice wild type guppy. So for that reason, we have rehomed our true wild guppy line to make space to continue with these. And although they obviously aren't a true wild guppy strain and we would never try to pass them off as such, we think they're just an all-round nicer looking guppy that we would prefer to maintain in the fish room. Our next guppy cross will be ready to show you guys in about another week, which is a mint green black bar Endler crossed with a Stag Endler. They're just finishing baking now and we'll be able to show you that shortly. So do bear with us and let us know what you think of these F2s in the comments below. Thanks for watching as always everyone, and do take care of yourselves. Bloopers. Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room.